Okay, so the second platform that I've chosen is one that I remember even from, I think, first or second grade, my daughters um, really enjoyed, which was Epic. Something we had to do at home. I can't remember their login, so I just got onto the basic. I mean, the purpose of this is obviously just to get your kids to read more, to interact more. So I just signed up for a basic as a parent on here. Um, Clearly it's going to be the audience is going to be for the students, for the kids, and but even the basic is free. You can still get one book a day. I know there's a lot more available when the kids have the class and everything like that, so we can just put in my daughter's name here and we'll go on through. So there's that particular book, and the way that it works is it will actually, you can go through and read, and I do believe there's a play button down here, and
Andy is so
you're not
funny.
able to hear on
Andy
this with
tells
the
the
free
best
version of the
story.
screencast, I believe. So it's kind of like a karaoke for the kids. So I X out of that. Um, there was a lot to do, like as you can see right here. So there was videos. I remember my kids loved this when they did it, but now one's a fourth, so I'm not sure if she actually does it anymore. But they used to have a ton of videos. Which of course they're locked on here for me, but they'll be unlocked for the kids. But like instead of YouTube, we used to let them get on this all the time because it was things we didn't have to worry about, things that were actually going to help them. There's the Read to Me, the audio books. This was just a really cool one, and so that I never really used. I remember them talking about it, and so I asked them today which was a couple of their favorites, and this happened to be it. But this right here, especially, so the arts and crafts, like my kids love things like that. So I know this was a big one. I'd heard from them a bunch, but I'd never actually been on it myself. So definitely student oriented, and they seem to love it. So this is one I would actually, I think, use once I get into teaching. Mind you, that I am not a teacher yet, so all of this is new to me and foreign. So I am not great with it. I've been over them a little bit, but yeah, I could definitely see just from my own experience that my kids like this one. So hope you all, if you use already, awesome, and if not, here it is. Have a good one.